Don't worry, John. I got that on camera.
Poor John. Nice, John.
Yeah. Actually, I think like half of the first half, there was a raindrop on the lens, and I think it was just completely out of focus. It's alright, it's fine. It was raining before, so. He almost threw it back to Alfie. Suck.
Oh.
You gotta D that shit.
Let's go, Greg.
Yeah, I got your drop.
Actually, I tripped over Chris's foot when I cut him.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I was like stumbling.
Go runs funny.
Yeah!
Take it!
Go! Woo!
Oh! Ankles got broken. That was pretty sick.
No, we're good, we're good. Brian, go.
Sorry.
So open.
Well, that's why you dropped it.
What?
It's
I never
you're
the
open.
other one.
Oh.
I was like, the guy was burnt.
Yeah. I think, well, it's because he underthrew it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He like threw it in front of him, kind of. Maybe. If I was too open.
Well, he probably figured that you wouldn't catch it if you were wide open.
Yeah,
So he
exactly.
purposely underthrew it.
I was like, he doesn't do it. Throwing the coverage. Nice, Dan.
Nice grab, Dan. Nice throw. Gotta be able to win both ways, ugly and pretty.
Here we go, Gee!
I don't think the conditions will ever be like this, though. Well, hopefully not.
Ball!
Get him, Vinny!
Nice grab, Alfie.
I almost caught him. My arm like this was under.
What? him here, guys. Hold him here. It's coming your way, John. I'm kind of aroused. There's red panties. I got that on camera too. Mm-hmm. Nice D, John. Nice D.
Ball! Good job, Jazz. Ball!
Oh.
Good try, Brian. Here we go, D.
Wait, one. Oh.
Here we go, D. Ball! Good job, Alfie. No, I do.
we don't want it. We don't want it.
Ball!
Oh! Oh crap! They almost caught that twice. You want me to go back in the film and check?
Did they say that counted?
Cross. Pitch.
Oh, careful, Brian.
Oh.
Delay of game.
They're great. Outside, outside. Here we go. Ball, ball, ball!
Oh man, that girl's killing us.
Let's go, D!
Pants or no pants, she's killing us. So pants off is pretty, right? Oh crap! Oh man, that was a good throw.
Here we go, D!
Oh, sorry.
D, picks her live, D!
You have it? Someone get in? Yeah. I'll try.
Ball, ball, ball! Good try, nice job, D!
That girl's a beast. She's like worried about hurting their guys.
Can I slow something off camera?
No. Nice grab, nice grab.
Get that first. Chris. Come on, get up. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, let's go, Grace. Come on, Dino. Did you hear me say your name?
Yeah, I saw. Was there another person over here?
There's a girl that came over.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Let's get it.
Watch him, Jason.
Got him.
Nice. Go, Dan. Go, Dan. Go.
Stop!
Why always go backwards?
Somebody. I got you.
Hey, get this off. Okay, because it started speaking, I didn't bring my cleats. I brought my.
Right there is good. He stepped out. Right there.
I'll just deal with it. First down. I'll just deal with it. Never drop this.
This game's too quiet. Someone's got to be unsportsmanlike or something. I gotta get in there and do something stupid. It's the last game of the season, so.
I would just run onto the field and with the camera up behind them in the huddle.
Can I?
Do whatever you want to do, man. It's the last game of the season, right?
I want to try a new point of view because all our stuff is from the side, but yeah, the sky cam, right?
Let it go. Job, Kate. Way to stay with it. Okay, way to keep your hands on the ball.
That was really close. That ball bounced out and almost bounced into her hands. go, John. Woo!
Love.
10 seconds.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Oh crap. Damn it.
Second down. Offense, you have 10.
Yeah. 3. Yeah. Watch him.
Oh man. At least you have the dignity to take yourself out. At least you have the dignity to take yourself out. Man. Watch the ball, guys. God, seriously? You're like rubbing off on Brian, man.
We all have drugs.
I think it's just because it's cold outside. Everyone's hands are cold.
Wait.
Hold on. 3. Yeah.
Do I have to go in to score?
It's 4th down already, bitch. It's too late.
I can still go in. It's called timeout. Let's go, guys. Punch it in.
I think that was a role play. Come on, Matt.
Luckily, we're already in the playoffs. And luckily, we're winning.
What's wrong, man? You got that pass? It's all good. Grind the tape, though. It's all good.
Yeah, don't worry. I got it all on film. Your drop is forever immortalized on YouTube.
Ball start. Yeah, I got you. Yeah. 87 this time, 87.
Has it been raining all day? Even this morning?
Yeah. This morning it was just cold, but
Oh.
now it's just fucking misty. I was like,
Yeah.
hell, it's like, it's
Going
raining.
deep, going deep. Ball, 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 ball. Box stop. Box stop till we set. Box stop till we set. Right there, back up, Nick. Back up, Nick. There you go. Rock and roll. 130.
That was such a false start. That was ridiculous. Dan's going for ball.
Or head.
Nice D, Raina.
Oh my gosh, really?
Why are the fucking baggers so annoying? Piece of shit.
Why do you hate him so much?
I can't say it on camera.
Why? Because he's gonna be demoralized.
You're racist. Oh crap!
Oh,
Damn. What? Hell no!
dropped it.
Well, I guess he was in the right spot to see it.
That was a nice catch. Sorry, Brian.
Yeah, he's been burned a lot on just like really good throws. What's that guy doing?
Freaking kicking.
The ball, Raider! Put it back. Put it back. That offensive pass
Nice.
The guy that fell. Well, that wasn't our team.
We keep pulling down that chick's shorts. the
one that
big, the blonde girl.
Like the third time, huh?
Yeah.
Pink undies.
They can't even tie us.
Huh?
They can't even tie us.
Yeah.
16-6.
That's why I was asking how much she's so huge already.
I can tell, trust me.
Nice. Well, if something crazy happens, we might actually be able to get third.
If people lose,
Yeah. If Baggers loses and then we get like, oh actually no, never mind because we lost them already, so they had the season tiebreak. Yeah, never mind. We can't get third. We're either fourth or fifth.
I hope we just go that route with that one team.
Ah,
The new one. That's so sneaky. That one.
Oh!
Did you go in the clearance?
How much time is left? Oh, 9 seconds. 9 seconds, I think. This is nice. Not playing. I'll just come and watch you guys from now on. I'll be the designated cameraman.
And shit talking.
Yeah. I'll be the team motivational speaker. John, stop dropping the damn ball.
It's not really motivation. I'm gonna go sit out now. Just, ignore.
Oh! Nice D, Brian.
Face guard.
He's not turning around. He hasn't turned around once.
I'm way too small for all the
Huh?
other
He
bikes.
has not
It's face
turned
guard.
around.
Brian or
Face guard and Brian.
oh.
He's just like this. And then
And
the
it's
guy
like-
catches it. I'm like, what are you looking at? We've screamed ball.
He's still hungover.
Yeah.
No excuses. Everybody's hungover.
That's true.
You know? Regarding my girl, she isn't have one ball franchise.
It's because you're a lockdown D.
I know.
I know.
You saw, right?
She's like afraid of you.
You should be covering the blonde chick.
Wanna run.
She's being a quarterback now.
What are you doing?
They've already lost the first time they're doing.
I want to try that, but it doesn't matter whether to go
Oh, face guard is no extra yards.
It was offsetting.
Oh.
They had some other penalty, I think. Let's go, D. Let's get that season point differential.
It just like keeps up.
Go get him, Chris! Get him!
You know that's not a girlfriend, right?
Oh, yeah.
He's trying to be all slick.
Even so, I'm sorry. Even so, isn't it supposed to be a girl play?
What?
Yeah, it was. They thought that's what that meant. Was that she pitched it back.
Oh, but that's not allowed. Ball game.